rain yesterday too, and more on the way today. But you may be dodging some showers, Christine.
Time
hopefully
out.
not.
Time out. Time out. Haley Steinfeld, Pitch Perfect. And you were wondering. I was wondering. I don't know who she is. She was the one we just heard from.
Pitch Perfect.
Pitch Perfect. It's a
She's
movie.
She's from the movie.
Oh, from the movie.
Yeah.
You need to be more
Sorry,
more
sorry,
detailed.
sorry.
He's like Pitch Perfect. Like, okay.
Like I knew.
I'm like, oh, right.
She was in Pitch Perfect 2.
I know Pitch Perfect
3.
1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pitch Perfect 2 and Pitch Perfect 3. She was not in the original.
Okay.
She said what?
Flashlight. How does that go? Flashlight. That one?
I don't think that's it.
From back in the day, no. I'm thinking you kind of like did it over. She didn't do another version. Is that not the same?
I'm not that hip anymore.
Okay,
like
okay.
I don't know.
If
You're
you know at
asking the
home,
wrong-
let us know.
She was born in 1996, so she's just a kid.
She might have did it over. The flashlight song. You have to look it up in the break.
I don't know. I'm looking at her
We
on
got
IMDb
way
here. Go
off
ahead and do
track
weather.
here,
We're
yeah.
going to find out who
Let's
this
talk
girl
about
is.
what's happening if you're headed out to the beaches. Well, these two did a little research. 84 degrees at 9 o'clock, 88 at noon and 3 o'clock. A mix of sun and clouds today with the southwest wind at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Low risk for rip currents, so if you're headed out to the beaches today, you're good to go and get in the water. As you take a look at the UV index, we're in the extreme category, so about 10 minutes to get a sunburn. Make sure you're slathering on that sunscreen before you even leave the house. Satellite radar picture, we do have a couple of scattered showers here across the area. Had some thunder and lightning earlier this morning, especially down around Edisto, Seabrook, and Kiowa Islands, so you may be up early with us because of those thunderstorms. Things are dying down right now, though. We still have some rain moving through southern Charleston County, up around the Hollywood area, moving in towards Wadmalaw. A couple of scattered showers up through Georgetown County as well, but this is all moving away from us. And really, this is going to probably be the most rain that we see all day long, which is fantastic news for that 4th of July holiday. As you take a look at the high resolution model, it does try to bring in a couple of showers back into western Colleton County around 8 o'clock this morning, but then through the rest of the day, the high resolution model is nice and dry. Just a mix of sun and clouds on the way through the rest of the day. At 9 o'clock, as we start to see those fireworks shows get going, high resolution model is nice and dry. Fantastic news for all those fireworks displays this evening. Continuing through the rest of the overnight hours, we continue to see a nice quiet night here across the area with a mostly clear sky. Then for your Wednesday, we head back into that typical summertime pattern where we get a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly into the afternoon, but it's few and far between. It looks pretty good for your Wednesday as well. Temperatures right now in the low 70s, well inland to the mid 70s at the beaches. Afternoon highs into the upper 80s to the mid 90s. It's going to be a hot one. So even at the beaches, we're nearing that 90-degree mark. 94 in Welterboro and Goose Creek this afternoon, 92 in Kingstree with a west wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour, 89 Isle of Palms down the coast to Edisto Beach, and 91 for the afternoon high in Moncks Corner. A quick check-in with the tropics because we are now seeing a high risk of development with this system out in the Atlantic. About a 70% chance this is going to develop today or tomorrow. It's looking like that's a possibility here. Becoming a tropical depression first, and then possibly becoming Tropical Storm Dawn as it continues west across the Atlantic. We're going to keep a close eye on that. Again, if we do see any impacts here in the southeast, which that's not a slam dunk by any stretch of the imagination, we're still talking about another week and a half before any of those impacts would be here in our area. Scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast each and every afternoon through the remainder of the upcoming week and the weekend. You notice it's hot every afternoon with those highs in the mid 90s inland, upper 80s to around 90 at the beaches, and even our overnight lows at the beaches in the low 80s. It's going to be nice and warm, and on top of that, we've got the humidity as well, so a steamy forecast for the rest.